Alright guys, so I've got this cloth microfiber. I'm just gonna pass it through. Let's see if it gets more cleaned up. Okay, in our case it's not that bad, but I mean within 6 months or 1 year, if you check it, it's much better to your filters. So I'm just gonna stick it in. Should be okay. So depending on the washing machine, there will be different types of filters. Some of them have different. Okay, that's it. It's clicked. Let me tidy this thing as well. Put this thing back. Where was it? Yes, somewhere there. And then that's it.